All right, let's dive right into this explainer. If you've been following the tech space lately, you know AI is just exploding right now. It's moving at a breakneck pace. But here's the thing. When it comes to building mission-critical, enterprise-level applications, we're basically hitting a massive wall. So today, we're going to break down the ultimate blueprint for the next generation of reliable enterprise AI and look at the two specific technologies that, when combined, completely smash right through that wall. This quote really nails the dilemma perfectly. Large language models are incredibly powerful, but they hallucinate, they go stale, and they are total black boxes. On the flip side, knowledge graphs are highly precise, but man, they are hard to query and really hard to build. So, what happens when you combine them? You get something far, far greater than either of them alone. The future of intelligent systems isn't about picking one over the other. It's about getting them to play nice together. Section 1. The beautiful illusion and the limits of LLMs. So the big takeaway here is that LLMs are, without a doubt, unmatched generalists. They've got general world knowledge baked into billions of parameters, and their sophisticated language and flexible reasoning are just mind-blowing. But their probabilistic nature makes them fundamentally unreliable for mission-critical facts. They suffer from some pretty severe fundamental weaknesses: hallucinations, stale knowledge, a total lack of transparency, the classic black box problem, and some seriously deep data privacy concerns. Let's zoom in on that first major weakness for a second: hallucinations. Because LLMs are basically just playing a massive game of predict the next word based on billions of parameters, they are literally trained to guess. And when they lack structured justification, they'll just invent facts. They aren't pulling from some universal database of truth, right? So if you ask a super specialized, domain-specific question, the model might just confidently spit out a totally plausible-sounding but completely false answer. In a casual chat, that's kind of funny. In a healthcare or financial system, yeah, that's an absolute catastrophe. And then there's the freshness problem. Because retraining these massive models takes months and costs millions of dollars, it rarely happens. This creates a hard knowledge cutoff. Your LLM basically goes stale because it's frozen in time. It's completely blind to recent events, and it certainly has zero insight into your live internal enterprise data. Moving on to Section 2, the grounded truth, and what knowledge graphs actually add. Knowledge graphs, or KGs, are pretty much everything LLMs aren't. They map out real-world entities, think people, organizations, proteins, and the exact, precise relationships between them. This creates a fully auditable, continuously fresh source of truth. They give you verified, domain-specific knowledge with transparent reasoning paths that an actual human can easily trace. And the best part? You don't have to retrain a massive neural network to add a new fact. You literally just add a new connection to the graph. But as amazing as KGs sound, there's always a catch, right? Dealing with unstructured data, which is like 80 to 90% of all enterprise data, is a massive headache. Historically, building a knowledge graph from unstructured text took incredibly tedious, complex pipelines. And once you finally built the thing, getting answers out of it meant writing complex graph queries like Cypher, instead of just asking a question in natural language. So it was a massive bottleneck on both ends, brutally hard to build and really hard to access. Section 3. The killer combination. What happens when the language engine meets the knowledge engine? Okay, let's map out this synergy. The workflow here is just brilliant. First, the LLMs ingest all that messy, unstructured data, emails, PDFs, chat logs, and automatically extract the entities and relationships. Basically, they build a knowledge graph for us. Then, when a user asks a question in plain, everyday English, the LLM swoops in again, translates that natural language into a query, pulls the exact structured answers from the KG, and wraps it all up into a beautifully readable summary. It's basically the ultimate mutual rescue mission. First, how do KGs fix LLMs? Well, the graph acts as a factual anchor. It provides factual grounding, which dramatically reduces those hallucinations we talked about. It also organizes knowledge into these meaningful clusters, allowing the LLM to pull verified, fresh data using a framework called GraphRAG. That's Graph Retrieval Augmented Generation, instead of just guessing. Plus, it provides traceable reasoning paths, which finally turns that black box into true explainable AI. And on the flip side, how do LLMs fix the knowledge graphs? The LLM becomes the ultimate frictionless interface. By using text-to-graph capabilities, the LLM completely automates the painful process of building the graph from raw text. Then it converts normal human questions into cipher graph queries under the hood. It completely democratizes access, so absolutely anyone in the enterprise can query this incredibly complex network of data just by chatting with it. Section 4.
Synergy in practice, in solving the unsolvable.
Let's ground this with a concrete example. Imagine a researcher using an enterprise AI system and asking this incredibly specific historical question: who influenced cyclotron research funding in the 1930s?
Now, a pure LLM, relying strictly on its internal parameters, is probably going to throw out some generic modern guesses. It'll confidently list modern institutions like the NIH or the DOE, completely missing the actual historical context. But when you use a GraphRAG architecture, combining the KG and the LLM, the system can actually traverse the real influence network, say from the Rockefeller Archive. It performs multi-hop reasoning, jumping from a specific grant to a researcher to an institution to pull the exact historical names, like Ernest Lawrence and Vannevar Bush. It doesn't guess, it retrieves a highly precise, verified answer.
Section 5. Enterprise AI Architecture.
Let's look at how this scales to the enterprise, taking healthcare and drug discovery as a prime example. You've got millions of complex medical papers out there. The LLMs read through all that unstructured text and extract the data. The knowledge graph then steps in to model the insanely complex biological pathways, the intricate gene-disease-drug relationships. Finally, the LLM uses that perfectly structured graph to safely generate life-saving hypotheses. And it can explain its treatment rationale in clear, precise medical terminology.
And this hybrid architecture is practically universal. Over in finance, this combo tracks super complex transaction networks for a highly precise fraud detection. In customer support, you get conversational AI that sounds entirely human, thanks to the LLM, but is strictly grounded in your actual company policies, thanks to the knowledge graph. And for internal search engines, GraphRAG ensures that whenever an employee looks something up, they are retrieving the absolute freshest, verified data available.
So if you're an architect or a business leader, when do you actually need to use a knowledge graph? Well, if you're building AI that absolutely has to be right, needs to evolve daily without millions of dollars in retraining costs, and needs to prove exactly how it got its answer, you need this hybrid approach. When complex relationships actually matter, when your domain knowledge is constantly evolving, and when you require true explainability and auditability, a standalone LLM just isn't going to cut it.
Section 6. The blueprint for the future.
All right, here is the ultimate takeaway. LLMs and KGs are not competitors. They are complements. Together, they are the undisputed architecture for the next generation of enterprise AI. We really have to stop viewing them as isolated solutions. By pairing the incredible natural language power of LLMs with the deterministic, structured truth of knowledge graphs, we actually solve the hallucination and black box problems once and for all. LLMs are your language engine. KGs are your knowledge engine.
And honestly, this is just the beginning of the journey. Understanding the theory is a great first step, but the real magic happens when you dive into the mechanics, getting hands-on with cipher and text-to-graph extraction, and actually building a GraphRAG system. So I'll leave you with this final thought. What completely unsolvable problem in your own organization could you fix tomorrow if your AI finally knew the absolute truth?